The Beaver Builder team is excited to share with you the latest updates to our Page Builder plugin. I've put together this video to share with you some of the best new features found in Beaver Builder 2.7. For a complete list of updates, I'll link up to an article in our knowledge base in the description below this video. Let's head over to my demo site and check it out. First up, we have updated the responsive editing mode. Not only is the responsive editing mode more accurate, but you are able to see the whole page view, including any theme or layouts applied. You're also able to switch between device views and edit the styles for each view separately. You can click here on extra large, large, medium, and small. The responsive editor enables you to set a custom height and width. Simply enter a specific combination of pixels, and the editing screen will automatically update for you. Next, there is a drop-down menu for changing the zoom. This setting will allow you to view the editing screen at 100%, 75%, or 50%. Or you might choose Fit to Window. To further customize the editor, we added resizing arrows on the bottom and sides of the screen. These elements can provide much more flexibility while you are designing the page. Next, we have updated the breakpoint visibility with icons. This feature allows you to control the visibility of rows, columns, or modules on different device views. These breakpoint settings are found under Visibility in the Advanced tab. You can choose to hide or show these elements on specific breakpoints, giving you complete control over how your website appears on different devices. In previous versions of the Page Builder, you'll see options in a drop-down like this. Beaver Builder 2.7 updates this setting with user-friendly icons. Instead of choosing from a large drop-down menu, you can simply select or deselect certain device size icons. For example, let's display this row only on small devices. To do this, we would deselect extra large, large, and medium devices, and leave small selected. Now, when we view the website on the front end, this row is only shown on small devices, like this. Another new feature is that you can now edit the code for specific nodes. This feature allows you to add custom CSS and JavaScript to individual rows, columns, or modules. This can be incredibly useful when you want to add custom styling or functionality to a specific element on your page. Each row, column, and module includes a CSS and JavaScript editor found in the Advanced tab. Note that this setting is disabled by default, so after updating to 2.7, you'll need to enable per node CSS and JavaScript. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, click Beaver Builder and Advanced, then toggle on the Enable Code settings. Next, open the settings for the specific module, row, or column that you wish to edit. Click on the Advanced tab and scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll see the CSS and JavaScript editors. Using this feature, you can add custom CSS or JavaScript directly to individual rows, columns, and modules. In addition, you'll see a code icon attached to the node when viewing in the outline panel. Note that as you're adding per node CSS and JavaScript, keep in mind that all coding will be scoped to the node you're working on. We've made improvements to the Accordion and Tabs modules so that you can select multiple post types. This is perfect for displaying different types of content, such as blog posts, pages, products, or events. The Accordion module displays a list of items with expandable sections. Prior to the update, this module could include your posts or pages, but not both at the same time. Now, with the new update, the Accordion and Tabs modules support the multi-selection of post types. After inserting the Accordion module onto the page, choose Post as the content source. Then you can select both posts and pages as the post type. Just like with the older version of Beaver Builder, be sure to filter the results with categories or tags, and you can still customize the order and number of items shown. Our 2.7 update fully integrates with ACF Blocks, which is an ACF Pro feature, but you can now use these blocks inside Beaver Builder. ACF Blocks enables you to create custom block types Once you register a new block, it will be available to insert into pages and posts using either the block editor or Beaver Builder. Using this integration, you can create reusable blocks that work in the native WordPress editor and Beaver Builder. Just like a Beaver Builder module, you'll be able to drag and drop it onto pages and customize its settings further. Another great addition is that the login form module gets updated with more styling options. This feature allows you more choices within the module to style your login forms. In the Login Forms module pop-up box, go to Shared Styles. Here you can customize nearly every aspect of your login form. Lastly, you now have the ability to reverse the order of columns for the medium breakpoint. This feature allows you to change the order of columns on your website for medium devices. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web developer, we hope these updates will help you to create beautiful, functional websites that engage and convert audiences. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.